This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Beth Robinson. New construction 4-bed, 2 full bath ranch style home with split bedroom floor plan. Open and spacious gathering area with vaulted ceilings in great room and kitchen. 9 feet ceilings throughout house. Tray ceiling in primary bedroom. Primary bathroom features oversized tile shower, double sink, linen closet and private toilet. Covered back patio to enjoy the spacious backyard. Home sits on almost an acre. Easy access to I-69, 6 minutes to grocery store, 12 minutes to downtown, and those who enjoy the extensive trails in Bloomington. This house is a super short distance to the Clear Creek Trail and Bloomington Beeline. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Robinson at 812-323-12.